Hi guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fun Christmas Dollar Tree DIY. I picked up 2 of the plain gold plastic bells from the Dollar Tree, and we're going to DIY them and make them look even better. First, I remove all of the garland and ribbons from the top, and I'm actually going to take mine outside and spray paint them with a gold metallic. I know they're already gold, but I kind of like the finish of the gold spray paint better. This is the difference before and after. You can kind of see what I mean. I think they look so much more high end in this color. Now, to make them even more special, I picked up some of these gold rub-on transfers from Dollar Tree with this great design. And I thought, even though it's kind of a round shape on there, I could add some of these rub-ons and really give it like a pattern, a texture, almost like a gold on gold. So I just kind of cut a strip around, trying not to cut the pattern if I can, and then I can cut it into individual pieces that I'll be able to attach. These are so fun to craft with. All you have to do is peel off the back and scrape them on and peel them off. It's almost like got like a gold leaf texture when I pull them off, and what I'm going to do is try to at least do the front and the sides of both of them so that when they're hanging on the wall, you'll see this pretty design. And I want to kind of just do that all over. It just makes them a lot less plain. It's not like literally a texture on them, but it really gives them that feel. So I just start peeling and rubbing them on. You know what? Sometimes like just a fingernail can be more effective, especially if you're going around like curvy edges and stuff like this. But I want to just use that one sheet and get as much of a fun pattern on there as I can. What I want to do is hang these bells together to make a cute little swag or wall hanging for Christmas. And I absolutely love how these turned out. So that is the pattern. I just kind of wipe off some of the extra like little dust that's on there. And now it's time to build the wall hanging. They have little hangers here right in the top because they have holes that you can just string through. I just take some twine and simply tie that off. I want to wind that around so you can't see that open plastic part on there, which will make that look a little bit better. And then to actually hang it, I just put another piece of twine through and knot that so that this piece will just go around and kind of disguise the top of the bell while the other one will actually be used to hang it. So I just go around and around with some hot glue until I cover that entire gap. And I'm going to do the second one the same way. I just tie off some twine, then I put another piece through, tying a knot, and make sure I leave those long enough so that I can tie this all together. Then I just cover the base of it with that first one. Now I thought a few wood beads on here would add a little bit of charm. So just some of the raw wood beads from Dollar Tree. I even chose like different sizes to give it like a little bit of a pattern. And I want them to be tied together right about here. So I just tie the 2 twines together. And then I am going to add some greenery and an ornament to these. So this is the ornament I found. This was actually from the Target Dollar Spot. It says Mary in gold, and I think that's going to look really cute with this. For the greenery, I'm using the little picks from the Dollar Tree. They are like green with gold glitter. So again, that goes well together. And they have wires on the end. I'm just simply wiring them together until I get a cute little swag. I'm going to hang that from the top of the twine here above the bells, letting that drape down. And then I'm going to hang the little Mary ornament right on top, just simply tying that on. This was such an easy DIY to make, and I really love how it turned out. Here at the top, I just kind of tie that off so they'll stay in place, and I have a little loop at the end that's going to allow me to hang it on the wall. Look at that great texture on the bells. It was a really fun DIY to make.